it's got some like shadows.
What does pretty blurry? You know, when all the text
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Gibraltar. The local time here is 1 hour ahead of UK. It's now approaching 4:04 in the afternoon, and the outside temperature is 19 degrees. Also, we arrive ahead of schedule. For your own safety, please stay in your seats with seatbelts fastened until we are at the gate and the seatbelt sign has been switched off. Before you leave us today, please take a moment to collect all your items from the seat pockets underneath the seat in front of you and the overhead lockers. Please do take care and open overhead lockers as items may move around and could fall out close entry. We now leave you in the cover and staff. They are called at Gibraltar and will be happy to assist you further if you need anything. Regarding mobile phones, can you please keep these in the flight mode until inside the terminal? Smoking is not allowed until you're outside the terminal building and the designated smoking areas. Also, for information, any lost property found aboard this aircraft today cannot be returned to the UK for security reasons, and will therefore be handed off here to our aid agents. As we are still passing to start, please remain seated with seatbelts fastened. This enables the cabin crew to disarm the aircraft doors and also pass on important checks to the captain. Would like to thank you for choosing to fly Monarch today. It's been our pleasure having you on board, and we genuinely hope you have enjoyed the flight with us. On behalf of the captain and all of the crew, we shall very safe on all journey from the airport. Thank you, have you all a very good afternoon, and a lovely stay here at Gibraltar.
I said to her, I did tell I think Shannon wants to come over and fly every night next Saturday. I think if they come over and they were something was happening, I would say something to you. I would have said something about something together. Yeah, I would have said something. And that's what happened. I got this occasion last week. Have you told Sharon? Yeah. Sarah knows it as well. Sarah, if I wanted to mention what I have to do is push some more. That was the Sarah's got. So have you seen Christmas? Actually, I think Sharon was sick at all. So she's taking a fall out of it. I think she's going to be sick. I'm going to find out what happened yesterday.
Gibraltar, industrial arrival.